Hello everyone, in this video, we have listed the paid camping areas, where you can go with your family, on the European and Anatolian side in Istanbul. We tried to explain where these campsites are, how we can go, and their prices in our video. You can thank us by subscribing to our channel before you watch our video. Çilingoz Ormanı Tabiat Camp Alanı, Adana. Çilingoz Forest is one of the nature parks of Istanbul and is located in the district of Katalka. It is one of the areas with an affordable price in the list of paid camping places in Istanbul. It can be one of the places preferred by those who want to camp by fishing, and you can spend some time on transportation since it is located in an area close to the Tekirdağ border of Istanbul. It is in the category of safe in terms of family camping. Semizkum Mocamp, Silivri. Semizkum Mocamp is a paid camping area and is one of the most preferred camping areas close to Istanbul. Located in Silivri region, Semizkum Mocamp provides tent rental, bungalow, caravan camping service. There is also a market where you can meet your needs and a playground for your children. Meanwhile, it is forbidden to enter as a single man. It is mandatory to have a female friend with you. Giritli Çiftliği Camp, Sahil. Giritli Farm Rumela Feneri is located at a point that can be considered close to the village center. The facility, which is one of the camping and picnic places that families with children can prefer, is one of the ideal places to spend a quiet and peaceful weekend holiday in nature. Whatever needs to happen in farm life is thought over here. You can meet all your needs within the facility during your camping period. The resort also offers its guests activities such as boat and bike tours. Riva Elmasburnu Beach Campground, Beykoz. Located in Beykoz district, Riva Diamond Nose Beach is very easy to reach from any part of Istanbul. Istanbul is a suitable region for those looking for seaside camping places. There are toilets and shower facilities. You can meet your food and water needs through the establishments. You can take walks in the surrounding green areas. Although Istanbul is not a preferred place among camping areas, it is a very reliable camping area. It is strictly forbidden to light a fire outside of the designated places. In addition, it is possible to state that there is a women-only beach inside the beach. The beach is open only to women on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. On Saturday, Sunday and Monday, women and men can use it in common. Only female personnel work at the facility on days special for women. Kidslandpark Campground, Beykoz. Kidslandpark was established in 2017 in the Beykoz district of Istanbul, with a mission for families and especially children to know nature, discover themselves and instill a love of nature. With 35 different workshops and survivor tracks on a 45-acre land, they offer adults and children all opportunities to have fun freely. While camping, you can develop your own knowledge and skills in 35 different workshops accompanied by expert trainers. There is a toilet facility. There is a buffet where you can buy your basic food needs. There are trekking points. Istanbul is very suitable for family camping. There are activity areas for children. It has an area where you can experience nature and silence to the fullest. Unfortunately, other operators other than Turkcell do not. However, you can provide up-to-date information to your relatives by using the Wi-Fi feature in the restaurant. Fava Camp, Semizkum. Fava Camp is a caravan camping area located right next to Alemdağ Orman, in terms of easy access to the city center. Istanbul is a suitable camping place for those who are looking for caravan camping areas rather than evaluating them in camping areas. Because tent camping is not possible in this business, there is a camping area only for caravans. In addition, caravan accommodation service is also provided by the business. There is a toilet facility. You can find businesses such as a market nearby. No noise is allowed at night, so you can have a quiet caravan camping activity. It is a very ideal business for family camping. You can light your fire only in the specified areas, otherwise, it is forbidden to light a fire. Since the campground is a bit small, There is not much space between the caravans, so this may bother you. Woodyville Campground LE. Woodyville is located within the borders of Sahil, Akiki's village. It is very suitable for family camping. It is a reliable camping area. There are also toilet and shower facilities. There are sections where you can perform activities and social activities, and there are also accommodation options. Since it is a paid camping area, the density may change according to the season. When you go camping, there is also the opportunity to meet a large crowd. You can set up your tent in the area reserved for the camping area, not in a place away from people. Bella Camp Sahil. Bella Camp is a tent camp, caravan camp and bungalow house service established within 1 hour from Istanbul. The facility operates on an area of 20,000 square meters. It is surrounded by fences and is located in pine trees. It is also located by the sea. It is a 3-minute walk from the beach and is an ideal business for those who want to spend a natural and peaceful holiday away from the city. You have different options for accommodation in the facility. You can stay in a bungalow or tent with your own tent or caravan or rent it from the facility. The hotel offers its guests, without exception, common kitchen, shower, sink, table, chair, refrigerator, electricity and parking services. You can also get your food and beverage needs from businesses such as markets and bakeries in the vicinity. Gelesund Campland Camping, Agva. Gelesund Campland Camping, located within the borders of Agva, leaves an unforgettable camping memory for its visitors with its magnificent blue sea and lush highland. The camping area is 5 kilometers from the center. You can camp in tents and caravans in the area, and you can use the tents rented by the facility. The bungalows are specially manufactured, with a steel frame, insulated, with locked doors, windows and are made of 10 square meters of fireproof tarpaulin. In addition, picnics and barbecues are made in the area. There are many possibilities for your needs in the facility. Table tennis, table games, ATV safari are some of them. You can rent an ATV from the business and enjoy the safari. In addition, your basic needs such as shower, wash basin, electricity are met in the camping area. Sahil Camp Sahil. We can say that Sahil Camp Istanbul is perhaps the most developed among the campsites in Istanbul. There are villas, bungalows, market, restaurant within the business. Sahil Camp Istanbul, which also offers beach service, also offers tent rental service and caravan camping area service. Istanbul ranks first in the list of paid camping places. It is located very close to the center. You will not need to go out with the services such as market and restaurant. You can swim in the sea, you can take walks in the forest. Sahil Camp Istanbul offers tent rental services. It is a very reliable and suitable region for people who want to camp for the first time. It is easy to reach. It is not a very quiet, calm area. You cannot freely light a fire and act according to yourself. There are communal fireboxes. Campfires are permitted in suitable areas. Seferogullari Camping Campground, Sahil. Seferogullari Camping is the most professional and most preferred among the paid camping areas in Sahil. Seferogullari Camping is the only camping area with a road to the sea and the beach, and it is a very safe area for camping. There is no toilet problem. It is a quiet area a little far from the city center. Tent rental service is provided. There are also private tent pitches. Since Seferogullari Camping is a family business, you are not allowed inside without a roof. If you say that I am free, I play my guitar, I light my fire as I want, I can hang around comfortably, this place may be a bit of a problem for you. In addition to the facility where you can meet your needs, there are electricity, shower, 24-hour hot water, tent and bungalow accommodation, internet, restaurant and cafeteria, dishwashing and laundry, refrigerator, air conditioning and TV in the bungalow rooms, children's playground and parking area. Again, If there is a camping area that you have experienced, please do not forget to write it in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.